if we redid this, is it just the roof, or does the whole structure of the roof have to be redone, or whatever type of framing work? And that would be a group before us coming in to make sure that that's structurally sound.
Okay, so you could go in and say, oh, I just want the roof redone, and by looking at it, you go, no, you need more, and you could.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because when we start working on a property, a lot of the times we'll also, because we're removing plywood, we're able to get into the attics, and so we do an inspection beforehand. A lot of the times it's ventilation stuff where when these properties were built 25, 35 years ago, it was just a different method of, it used to be seal the house, now it's more your house has to breathe, and it's because all the moisture that gets built up in the attic. So we'll go in, we'll check insulation, we'll make sure that there's not rot or anything of that nature or mold development, and if there is, we address it, we make them aware of it, but we're not the people that come in and handle it. We'll seal back up the roof, we'll keep it prepped and get it going so that there's never an open roof area or anything like that, should there be bad weather or anything like that. But it is one of those things where we're not going to come in and fix that. We just make them aware. We'll replace that immediate insulation so that it doesn't get much worse, but it needs to be addressed by another group. We make the HOA aware, the engineer aware, anyone else that's involved in that process. So, yep.